Hey guys, really quick, one more important announcement. The restrooms. If you take this hallway right here, the ladies is right down there in front of you. You take this hallway and take a right. No, you gotta take a right. The men's is gonna be on the left-hand side. So you guys.
Say that again. I think we should be good. Unless you can think of something. Good morning, a pinch of bliss boosties. 7 a.m. Been up since, I think my alarm went off at 4:30 a.m. Yes. So we have been up for a while. We are here at the Grow Stack Drive Mastermind in Atlanta. We are their premier caterers for this event, honey. In about an hour and 15 minutes, we will be serving breakfast. So, honey, we finna get on it. It's about to be lightning speed up in this piece. I'm gonna try my best to get some footage while we on the run. But, honey, I ain't got no time to waste. All right, so let's get on it. All right, family. So I'm going to be transparent with y'all because this is the real deal catering life. Mom is late with the hot portion of the food, but I do have all of the cold items out. So let me show you what I got so far because it's looking like I might not be able to show you everything, okay? Come on. Judah's over there giving it a wipe down. Cold items are set up. Beverage station set up over there. So when Mom does get here, we'll have bacon here, sausage here. We'll have eggs, grits, shrimp, and this is what they could put it in. There's butter under there. Let me fix that. There we go. And then this heating lamp will house our biscuits. So yeah, let me show you the drink station. I gotta tighten up over here, but this is our drink station, your basics. We got hot tea. Yes. All right, a pinch of bliss boosties. We are day 2 dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick the setup because they're about to pray and eat. So let me show you guys the setup. Hold on one second. I think that'll be nice. Salisbury steak. Yes. Well, I didn't put any microgreens here, Bliss. Can you help me out?
And this is,
awesome. And you're going to put chicken in this one too, right? Yeah. Excellent.
Girl, come here. Pastor Dennis, would you come pray for our dinner tonight, my friend? We were supposed to do a pastor's Q&A, but Gary's whole time changed and then lunch, and we just never got to do it. But can y'all put your hands together for Pastor Dennis?
All right, y'all. This is the end of day 2. The team did an awesome job. Which one was more stressful today, Judah? Day 1 or day 2?
Day 1, actually. We weren't as organized on day 1. It was
Facts.
a lot more harder to, put out food whenever we ran low.
Yes.
Today, perfect amount of food,
Come on.
minimal refills.
Come on.
So
Hold on, wait. Hold this. Hold on.
Oh, God.
Okay, hey, you two. Attitude. Now walk away. You see those TikTok? No, that's okay.
Anyway, what Judah was saying was... No, I agree. You think it's going to be even better tomorrow?
I'm actually not too sure.
Me neither.
Because the dinner service is different tomorrow.
It is. It is. That's a lot more fanfare. And things are a lot earlier.
And we don't have we don't have 2 cars, do we?
Nope. One vehicle. Yeah.
Wait,
Ain't that gonna be fun?
Tomorrow we have everybody in one thing. Oh yeah, that's not gonna be all right. Wait, that means we got Grandma, Uncle John, Miss Tony, you, Judah, me, and that's the whole car.
That's a lot of bodies.
That's,
Yes.
and the 3 of y'all gonna be in the back seat. So get comfortable.
That's wild.
We got. Nah, because
Then
Grandma was in the front. Mom
Uncle John is gonna drive.
Uncle John's gonna drive.
Uh-huh.
Who's got? Grandma's gonna be in the front.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be you and Miss Tony on the side, and then all the 3 of us are gonna be in the back.
I mean, there's another.
Now that is true. That is true.
Oh no, I've had my share with the middle seat. Baby.
Well, you're the thinnest, so either way you're gonna be in the middle. So get over it or gain weight. All right.
Peace out.
So we're about to go home. Ooh, my lens is dirty. All right, so we're about to head home, get some rest, do it all again. All right, see you in the morning. All right, y'all. Good morning. Day 3. Honey, it was almost a hot mess, honey, but crisis averted. Let me show you the breakfast setup. We got everything this time, and let's get ready to eat.
Check. What's up, guys? Good morning. Chef, how we doing this morning, girl?
Oh, we're wonderful.
Listen, if you're watching this ad right now on Instagram, click the button. Chef Brittany is your girl. I've done that a couple times, right? And we're gonna pray for. Are you guys in line already? Y'all are like, man, I'm hungry. We're in line. Hey, Michael's gonna pray for our breakfast real quick. So, hey, Ryan D. Lee, we're gonna pray for this food real quick, homie G. Thank you, man.
Good morning, everyone. So I got about a 35-minute prayer, so I know y'all are. Hey, what a great week it's been. I know it's really impacted my life and everything, and listening to everything.
This is what happens during break time between breakfast and lunch. You're getting the stretching.
Everything up here is tight.
Oh, you need a chiropractor.
Oh my
They'll
god.
put you on one of those machines and crack you up real quick.
I can't.
Get a good cracking.
It's not in my joints, it's my muscles.
Oh, your muscles. There's no stretches you can do?
That's what I'm doing right now.
Oh. Making snow angels in the carpet? I said you're making snow angels in the carpet. Oh gosh. Look, Jude over there getting his whole life together. So, breakfast went well. Normally we'd be in there kind of doing things, but a part of the conference. They're having a session in the space that we are. So Judah and I are in a back room giving them some privacy because, honey, yeah, they needed some privacy. They needed privacy. And I didn't feel comfortable staying in there for what was going down. So, yeah. Uncle John is on his way back with lunch, and we'll set that up. But baby, it's not gonna be a long day. I'm not even gonna say that. I'm not gonna play me. It's not gonna be a long day. We got this. All right. I'll see if I can show y'all lunch. We'll see. Pinch of Bliss Boosties. Day 3, meal number 7. Here's the final look. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. The guests are on their way. They're ready to eat. Just want to give you a look-see. And let me see. Where's the lighter?
She needs the lighter.
And I'll show y'all me lighting the fireplace. Thank you. Here we are.
I see. Is that turkey?
Pork loin.
Pork loin. I knew it was pork loin.
And here we are, guys.
The pork loin.
You can get it from right now. And Tony, can you separate it somewhere? And so does it need refills already, Chef Tony? Okay. So they ain't playing with it, they getting hot to it, huh?
That's why I've been separating it, but
What's another word for hot? What should I say?
you said he went to the line already? In the blue shirt?
I was just trying to talk you out of it.
Look at
Moms
Tommy's
could
face.
put little tiny things. Ooh.
Delicious.
Pork loin.
All right. You know the name? You know the name? I don't eat pork, man. What we got? Banana and
Peach cobbler. Now, what I will tell you.